Eranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabatinu Moigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganie bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wekirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorolekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom Moigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simu terase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Najua mimi utagomana nyumbani.
Sawa, subiri.
Niache subiri.
Wewe ndio unasababisha yote haya. Hebu subiri.
Unafanya ukimbilia kwa kitu gani?
Wewe
na utapigwa bure.
Wangu na wewe mbona unaitafuta? Tulia basi mke wangu.
Wewe umekimbia mpumbavu mkubwa. Wewe kama mwanamke unajiamini kwa nini umekimbia? Na wewe kunifanya hivyo mimi kabisa?
Nisamee kwa hiyo. Subiri kwanza. Nikuelezee ukweli.
Unieleza nini? Nakuuliza unieleza nini?
Sasa wewe unaona.
Unieleza nini? Unajua mimi ninakoma. Unieleza nini?
Life got better.
Karibu ya omwanjwa omorigarari litukaliga lya Jumapili tariki 20 cy'omutienye okane omwaka wa 2025 lituko abange banyaka bagocengira lituko lya Easter Sunday wose lituko lyokoboka kwaye Yesu Kristo asechikanza wose bali bagosasima alituko gotubali bagosasima bakumaye katabona aba Kristo nigo bagenda gocengera litukeli gotine bacengera litukeliga ase amarandi ao anyara kobaga kurwe gwa chinsemo igoro yogo kwa na oko bokigwa kwaye Yesu Kristo nje nigo ngoro kuharoni ototo nyangiri mwanchumo ligerali kene kionga chinsa ibere ase enchira yobwekran Mwanjo muligerali ekionga chinsabire nigo togo chaka limulioka igoro yeli tukeligali lero ase chikansa na bakristo kuru chinsamo banyaka bagocengera litukolio kubokeko kwa Yesu Kristo limakitamna Easter Sunday ase banyaka bakurwa okobolia nogosira ase amangana akemoika omo pastor gose omo bishop bwekansa ya Bungoma Magikadima no mobo uyo nyaraka bagakurwa angwana yeli tukoli lero siringana asanyaraka bagakobolia bakenya tibanyaka bagotwara oboba sikende skariba okora nabo igabanya kwa bagotwara ogosemelia ase Yesu Kristo.
Yesu Kristo anawaambia waliokuja kaburini ya kwamba msiogope. Msiogope. Na wasiogope nini? Wasiogope vitu viwili katika maisha yetu. Tusiogope vitu viwili. Ya kwamba Yesu Kristo anawaambia msiogope kwa sababu mna ukweli. Msiogope kusema ukweli. Ya kwamba mimi nilikufa na nikafufuka, sio mimi, Yesu Kristo. Ukweli huo wa Yesu Kristo ya kwamba sio uongo. Sherekeeni ukweli. Be witnesses to the truth. Kama umeona. Hapana ambiwa ujui. Be truthful, people, that Jesus Christ rose from the dead, and it's not the only truth that we must be witnesses of. Don't be afraid if you know that even if you go through hardships, problems, and so on, success does not come without those. And joy does not mean that you have not had problems. Peter is very joyful, but he has had problems just last week, isn't it? Yes. So, apparently, if you have had some issue, your wife has beaten you, I don't know what, don't carry that everywhere.
Na omwanchwa omoligereri omolikyo monne bwe kiama kia barokia kia Kenya National Union of Teachers NAT Collins Oyu niganya kabaga kubolia abana siasa gotiga kwebwatani amo ne kiombe gia Teacher Service Commission gosege kolika abarimu asanya kabaga batamna ogweso na kwa abana siasa se kiombe kyo nigo gukwirira obokurumiko ene kigwa chinsemo ao na boigo obwene gotekerani wa ase abaroke bonsi oyo nigali gukwana yakobwatekana amone chinguma na mangana agente gukwaneka una nigo serikali yabeire gegotumiko seriko abajumbe na bana siasa babere bagotumeka kotwara gotwana na amarube na mauko yokolika abalimu.
Employment of teachers in this republic is causing a lot of concern in the circles of Kenya National Union of Teachers. It is true, and it is within the knowledge of every other knowledgeable citizen in this country that Teachers Service Commission is an independent commission by law, and is a commission that has mandate. One of the mandate of Teachers Service Commission is to recruit teachers to the teaching service. I don't want to talk about the rest, but because this is what you brought up as a question. It is at an alarming rate. The Teacher Service Commission, to some level, has abdicated its role and co-function of employment of teachers. Never in the history of Teacher Service Commission that we saw what is happening now. TSC should be ready to work and operate within its mandate. And the mandate in this question is recruitment of teachers. Recruitment here, I mean employment of teachers. What has been happening is a shock. I know that to some extent, TSC would actually come forward to the leadership of this country, because we also have executive powers. We cannot object the executive powers of the president of this country to employ teachers. We want to thank him. He can do it. But the manner in which these forms are distributed by some politicians leaves a lot to be desired. Yes, you can assist through Teacher Service Commission, but you must be fair and human. The idea of picking on a teacher who completed college in 2023 and leaving out one who completed teacher training college in 2010 leaves more questions than answers. And as a union, we must state categorically that even in employment, you should be very fair and above all, be human. We have teachers who are over 50 years old, not yet employed. They have stayed outside there. Where do you want to go to?
Na omo likiomo na kiama kia Kenya National Union of Nurses KNUN se dipanyako liganya kabaga koboria serikali kwanene mono kiombegeria IEBC kwene kemnangwale ganikele obochorio bokeas chinsemo echabera singa kindambi chitabwati abajumbe na aba MCA asensi ya Kenya nonye na abaseneta asanya kabaga kwene kya buna ogotatwara kwa abajumbe na abatenelibe chinsemo kubatakana amo nebikole ebyanya kwa bikwane kigwa nigo anyarekoba gose niganyarekoba ga comment buna ekyo nigo kere mamincha no boyene bo menywe chisemecho abatar kanyora obokoreri kubwatakana amo no kuborwa kwa baraya bwo mbwekano na ase county ya Kisii mwancho muligereri gose county ya Nyamira ase ebirogo bitato biro beiri gose bikagire gochiko ene kigwa obochorio boke chingaki obochori oboke gose chingaki kyombiya IEBC kanya kabage gotokanga gekeraniwe
3 as God member of parliament. Look, for us, it's just a few months. But we have Kenyans who have not had a member of parliament for more than 3 years. And that is not right, because that is infringement of the constitutional rights of these constituencies. In fact, parliament is running illegally and unconstitutionally, having more than 3 years. Some constituencies not having members of parliament. So those members, those constituencies deserve to have a member of parliament. And you cannot have a member of parliament when IEBC is not constituted. The only thing I can say is that is to urge those who have been given the responsibility to interview the IEBC commissioner, the chairs, to do it with a lot of consideration that they are holding that high responsibility given to them on behalf of Kenyans. They must do it with the integrity, they must do it with the transparency, and they must ensure that the Kenyan people have confidence on those who will emerge victorious during this process. We do not want a system where every time we do elections, people kill each other, elections are rigged, those who do not make it go to parliament, and those who make it stay home like myself. I have been rigged out twice. It is shameful, very shameful. We want those who are elected to go to parliament. Those who are not elected, stay at home. But now when you have a system where you have those who have not been elected going to parliament and those who have been elected remaining at home, then you can see the kind of decisions that our parliament makes. It makes decisions to certify those who have helped them to go to parliament illegally. And they are not even honorable. They are dishonorable. Because if you stole an election, how can you be honorable? A honorable person is a person who has been given the honor by the people. If the people denied you that honor and you stole yourself, how can you call yourself honorable? So most of these members of parliament we have are not honorable. They are dishonorable because they were not elected. They stole elections. I want to urge the people of Malava to be very careful not to allow some outsiders who have stolen money from this country and they are carrying in bags to come and purport that they can direct who they are going to vote for because of the money they have stolen from us. The Malava people should take that money, eat it, but for the vote, they know where they're supposed to place their vote. I want to tell Farouk Kibet that Malava people will elect their own leader. We will not allow him to come here and dictate the people of Malava. It doesn't matter who will be elected, whether he will be elected in government or will be elected from the opposition. Myself, I'm not in any political party. I have not joined any political party.
Na mwanchwa omorigereri omorai wense ya Kenya munabara ibande litkolia lero nigo bachaka etaro ya bene yue egochikane kwa ase chinsemo cha Rift Valley anene mono chinsemo chijimanye kadib na ma communities ase omorai wense anyara kabaga gokwana amange naboigo abarai akuru chinsemo chibanya kababa kwaroki ganga yabo yogochikosegeta omorai wense ase ganga yaye ayo koreta ensamo namono inse ya serikali yobwamo yomakete na broad based government.
Continue to be a God-fearing nation, and we will not be derailed, we will not be intimidated, we will not be dissuaded in pursuit of the work of God for our nation. Sasa tuko na mpango mzuri wa kuhakikisha ya kwamba hakuna Mkenya inawachwa nyuma wakati tunashughulikia mambo ya matibabu. Hiyo program ya SHA, kila siku Kenya wananchi zaidi ya 45,000 wanajisajili every day. Mimi sitaki watu wa Narok wabaki nyuma. Kwa hivyo mujisajili. Wale wako na uwezo wa kulipa watalipa kulingana na uwezo wao. Wale hawana uwezo wa kulipa tutawalipia kama serikali ya Kenya. Ile tunataka ni kwamba kusipatikane mwananchi tena anauza mali yake, anauza shamba yake, anahangaika na harambee akitafuta mambo ya pesa ya kulipa mahospitali.
Na narudia hapa kwangu ya kwamba sisi kama jamii ya Wamasai
tumesema tutakuwa na wewe mwaka hii 10 ambayo Mungu amekupea umalisha kama sisi wengine wote ambao tutamaliza. Mimi nataka tu nikuambia ya kwamba sisi tuko tayari kwa ile siku ambayo umeweka wewe mwenyewe. Ilikuwa uje tarehe 29 na tarehe 30. Lakini kwa sababu uliponipigia simu ukaniambia uko na mambo mengine unaenda kufanya nje, tarehe 6 na tarehe 7 na tarehe 8, Your Excellency, ni siku 3. Kwa sababu hii nchi yangu ni kubwa sana. And we have lined up a number of projects ambayo serikali yako imefanya na imekamilika. SHA imefanya kazi. Mimi niko na watu wengi ambao wameenda hospitali na wamelipiwa milioni 3, milioni 2, milioni 1. Na tulikuwa tumeagana, Your Excellency, hapa mwezi wa 5 ikiisha na mtu hajajiandikisha kwa SHA na unaenda kusema utakuwa na mchango, hakuna MP ama MCA ama governor ambaye atakuja mchango yako.
Mimi nikisimama hapa, unajua mimi ni mtu wa Raila damu. Lakini nafurahia sana kwa sababu Mheshimiwa Ruto ameshikana na baba. Na aliposhikana na baba, mimi nikaambia baba, sasa wewe wacha mimi nilete Wamasai wote pamoja. Hakuna hata mmoja ataenda kando ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto sasa.
Pia tumeambiwa hapa, the last time a president visited was 30 years ago. Na ilikuwa mambo ya amani. Na mimi ningependa kuwatia changamoto watu wa Mosiru.
Chinga checho mwanjo muligerali omo raiwense mwaske William Ruto nikanya kawako na kianga inse serikali yaye nigo agenda koimukia ebitambukiro byoko na kia buna obokurumi ngo kyani bole na gusiri gwapi mwaske Ruto nigakuwa na iga chinsemo chia anturere ime county ya Narok asajaka etaro ya bene eyo agochikokora ime ye county yu amo ni county jetanene ime osijetanene county eyo ya Narok anamono chiri chima katamna ma counties
are made available to us by the people of Kenya through their taxes must be spent in a transparent, accountable manner. Na ndio sababu in my address to the nation, I made 2 commitments. I said, number 1, all procurement beginning April this year are going to be undertaken on an e-platform. We are going to have e-procurement so that there is transparency in the procurement of public services and public programs so that we know that we have gotten the best price, the most competitive price to the best person, and we know who it is. I'm happy to say that e-procurement that we have been waiting for years has started this April, as I committed. Number 2, nilisema ili kuondoa mambo ya ufisadi ambayo sehemu kubwa inachangiwa na interests ya wale watu wako na uwezo, viongozi ambao wako na uwezo. Tukasema tutapitisha sheria ambayo inaitwa Conflict of Interest Law. Na niliahidi bunge wakati huo ya kwamba wasipopitisha sheria ambayo inalingana na vile tulikubaliana na Wakenya, sheria ambayo itakomesha mambo ya ufisadi na mambo ya ubinafsi na mambo ya watu kutumia ofisi za serikali kujinufaisha wao wenyewe, familia zao na marafiki zao. Niliwaeleza wakati huo, msipopitisha hiyo sheria, mimi nitaweka veto ya hiyo sheria mpaka nipitishe sheria ambayo itakomesha ufisadi katika taifa letu la Kenya. Nimefanya hivyo juzi, na kwa wiki 3 zijazo bunge lazima ipitishe sheria vile nimependekeza, ndio tuweze kukomesha mambo ya ubinafsi katika procurement na utendakazi wa mambo ya serikali.
Mwancho muligereri omo Bishop wa Diocese ya Mombasa Martin Kifufa nigo amuchirio murai bwense anene mono asitaro aberiga gukora guchinza Jesco igitia nyare ko bakumurira ere kunyara kabaga gutwara amakabeso amanene gocha ase ense ya Kenya muskeki gose omo Bishop Kifufa boigo niganyare kaba gakuboria serikali kunyara kaba gekoenekia buna nigo gendete gutumika chibese serikali buya na anyare kaba gekoenekia kuyanire amadeni ase ense ya Kenya bwa guchinza Jesco
na nchi nyinginezo nje ya Kenya, deni what we call the national debt inasemekana imepita kipimo. So ni kama wewe una deni na huku naendelea kukopa kwa jirani, kwa banki hii na benki ile, unaongeza uzito kwa wale unaoishi nao, na hasa Mkenya anayetozwa ushuru, kwa sababu hayo ni lazima yalipike. Na hili ni onyo ameongeleshwa na watu wengi, na yeye amesema, naamini anasema kwamba I know what I'm doing. The challenge is, mzigo huu utamlemea nani baadaye? Mzigo huu utaleta anayechukua hatamu mwishoni atafanyani na hizi tuite mikopo ambayo imezidi kipimo. So ametahadharishwa mara nyingi, na anajua yeye mwenyewe, naamini anaamini hivyo kwamba amesikia hilo na ameamua aliloamua. So letu ni kusema tusiwe na kusema hajui, kuambiwa ameshirikishwa na watu mbalimbali hata nchi za nje. So ni tukae chonjo, tukae tumejipanga, na sisi tusiwe tukazama.
Mwanchomo ligereri amashabiki na boiga bateterebe timu ya Shabana nigo bagonyora egentambukirwa gose gende gyo ko bagokeri tukolia rero magaye timu ya Shabana goikora timu ya Talanta FC chigoli inye asibire ime yomochie o Nairobi na gostolia nyako gokeranwa no mulikito BUC biyogo yonya kabaga gotwariganira orobotiro kubwatia buna abatrindeli na boigo amashabiki ye timu eyo banyara kaba abakorokyo mugokobo.
Because you want to man. Tell me about what my fans need to donation. Shabana is there to protect them. Can you get a kilometer? Kiwacha, atobwe, strong. Because as I want to have a teacher man about to Ambranga, I get in there, get tea, get to Udia 160. Kiwacha, what can I say? To put it up.
Okay, ritanga ni kukoira ndia ba survival na technical page na bia muno isera sa ko I think kwenye kwa ile toko ya kuera na ngora mpaka mna tu ikeire iga twaro ni nabona kuikiye watu mupiro hiyo yo ngoira ndia mashabiki yetu na bia muno siri cha chire ndora so bunge mo twaro kiriye bichire tofauti, and I think kero mundoro na Shabana kali timu ora chechereri ne timu ya Bwene ile timu ya Isane igobono togotena kogendera gochimotu tukagerete na togendera go koribia mono sana 1992 no tole se bracket ya still yoko bonerega kwa utoma etena game ya itenta ekogwa ketogo cha kuwaka na Nairobi City Stars ile weekend Jumamosi wiki ya moja tora akiresiga ya Machakos ninde no kwegero na ndero ko basaba mashabiki aitacha so bongi eto cha kabono kuyerera ni so mupiro karo monene titakisa esege tiki ya Gusii Stadium turaje komira ne timu ya Gor Mahia ngo mtogane tia matokea maya kuru Machakos keratogo cha kuwaka ne timu ya City Stars eto momentum yogo chukua kabono ne timu ya Gor Mahia titakisa esege tiki ya Gusii Stadium.
Number one no shukuru the fans. Timu yetu morosi ya Weru ya Shabana is doing very well. Vijana vetomire na wana tuachi that we are playing a team Talanta in Segaria in a very suicidal Egoruana Tebua, lakini vijana wamejitolea na kero monto hapa kusema mtaba watu Kenya ngine wa support Shabana mwarore the good work Shabana is doing. Yaendelea ku support Shabana and mwenyeronga tarehe 3 na wataruhusu na Gor Mahia Football Club.
Maybe you are called to the Omo Gusii as a whole.
Kenda to korangire mu siasa whole. Inga that day tarehe 3 watoke in large numbers to support the team Ejugusi, because this is the time to kuonesha mbivu na mbichi.
Mwacho murigelia no kwenye timu ya Shabana bwana ni kwenye mechi points sasa kwa wasegetie kile Dandora Stadium kutoka mji Nairobi yema gayo kwa timu ya FC Talanta chigorinye asichigoribera segetie kega nonye nabona kwenye unani kwa timu ya Nairobi ya nabona asegetie kega Shabana igaroba koni kati ya batani timu ina batalo unani kwa ya ngene kwa ikiramu kwa neke kuna timu ya Gor Mahia kuchinga kira chikusinigera RSS ya Kimini nonye nabona kwa bali banya kwa kuona kwa rudiga igana kwa wakira ngambia muno eko bajia batukuria wase fans timu ya Shabana kwa sasa ni kwa tinga tuone timu ya Shabana ya Gor Point Gemero ni nice kwa magayo kwa kwa ya leo Reporter ya Egata Sani kaka tembea masa mkurugiga ya Dandora Stadium kwa Pius okemwabio.
Njumurigere gwikirabwo no tokorera ekionga chinsa ibere asenjera yobwikiranu korende okonyere tu asensemeli ya kabere yomotimoko nigo tokwira na ase egeikaro asenjera abantu nyaka batokorigera na ali agenda kwane kwa chinsemo ao ime na isiko ya gusi namono monjo murigere nyorenga omo gwasirio mokoro inse ya serikali omusike Uhuru Kenyatta musike Fred Okengo Matiang'i nanyata kabaga gutajaliro balia Kenya ase abange bageretenga ngo bwatukarenge ngwana ya moibere isatoiga ayonze konya atore ko batoko yaligereria uyu togochiko bwatere gusaba togochiko bwatere nabo asensa moyege karo ngamo no yoligetie karo kyo ba senator ime county ya Kisii omusike Richard Atemba nabo igo head of state commendation omusike Dennis Orioki nabo igo Sam Miyenda na aratigamoro ko omusike Sam Miyenda na njo musikaro ni ototo mwanjo murire to nyaka ko kuchiare ngwera natarase ke kurwana
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentre nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iri abantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka yibwate emixer yibwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani ochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale awatagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyegitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo eyego tumeka chimashini chinkongo asukumureka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure, arthritis, cancer, chinyigo, imichando y'ikinguru cy'abagaka, ubugomba, gati ya yande amange.
Incheno munyagitari irinike maubanyi omo director bwa enyagitari tukoroka HK International Medical Center erega igo muchito bosongo na inde ni gonta getoko bariga ni mono sana na kubatebinga ni gotogo over services chiekerero tugotumia obobwenia bwekerero technology yo koligererio mugero omogima na inde twarigereria ngambi mo kibiru byasero twaro muchanda twakwa mariogo na marioga yaito ni gotunya rusiti ase chinse chesko ao nande ni gare habo ayuto kurusia se chinse buna bono kurustura marioga sense ya Hong Kong eyeri ni